Welcome to Coder Station.
Hey guys, welcome to Coder Station. In today's video, we will see the structure of Python programs. Structure in the sense I will show you how to write a program in proper manner so that you can follow the standard of writing code. So let's get started. Before starting with our today's video, I will give you a quick recap of last video. In last video, we saw working of online compilers and different type of online compiler. I have also stated two compilers which you can use for your practice purpose, and I have also shown you the limitations and advantages of online compilers. So to see the video in more details, please watch last video. So let's get started. Structure of Python programs. Now on my screen you are able to see two images. The first image is showing the structure of Python program and second is example for correlation. First section comes as a documentation section. In this section you specify for what purpose you are writing the program, or it can be also the name of the file. It is also commented and it is very optional. Second one is import statements. In this section, you import modules, packages, user-defined packages and some classes. As you can see here they have imported import max class. Global declaration section. Here you can see the radius declared here in the global declaration section. Global declaration means declaring a variable so that it can be used throughout the program in any class. There are two types of variables, global variables and local variables. Global variables are accessible throughout the program in any class and outside the class, and local variables are the variables which are created inside the class and only accessible in particular class. Then comes our class section. In this section you can see that you define your classes. Classes are usually user defined and you can give any name to the class, and there are data members and member functions in that classes. So as you can see there are member function, and here you can see that you have also seen data members in this class. Then there is a sub program section. Subprogram section is a mandatory section and it gets executed when you run the code. Playground section. It is the most important section in writing your program because you call your classes and make the object of classes in this section, and it is responsible for showing the output of your program. Without this section you cannot get the output of the program, whether you write all these sections till class section, but if you don't write playground section then you cannot get the output of the class. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you liked the today's video. Stay tuned for our next videos.